Hello everyone. This is the 13th lecture of Woshite lectures. Today, I will talk about the relationship or nature of consonant, vowel, and the phoneme in Woshite linguistics. According to Woshite linguistics, the construction or true meaning of consonant and vowel are different from traditional linguistics. This is very crucial and essential in Woshite literature. For example, I will pick up ka sound, ka phoneme. Ka phoneme is the combination of consonant k and vowel a and provide the phoneme ka. So, but according to Woshite literature and Woshite linguistics, this sound is called father tone. Father. Why? Father is pronounced first. When we human experience for example, the sunlight is symbolized as the gesture image in our body, from stomach, from abdomen, from lung, through throat, through mouth, and this is prior to the vowel k pronounced first, but we can't pronounce k in very long tone. It's impossible. It is vowel. So father tone pronounced first, but does not last long. So here comes the mother tone, vowel. When we observe the sunlight is light. It's filled in the air with high energy, but static. So such texture is symbolized as the mouth shape of such circle. This is the mother tone corresponding to vowel in the traditional linguistics. But according to Woshite, a is the mother tone, not vowel, mother tone. So mother tone is pronounced lately. And the mother tone decides the color or texture of the ka sound. And mother tone lasts long. After the father tone diminishes, ka. So father tone comes first, and mother tone comes later, and decided by the mouth shape and lasts long. Ka. We can pronounce the mother tone very long. Like, for example, Italian canzone or aria, very long, we can hear very long vowel. Ka. And Japanese language is similar in such a way. Ka. And father tone and mother tone provides child tone. This is the sound of ka. It's necessary to stress or prolong the mother tone, different from the English. This is called child tone. Father tone and mother tone provides child tone. Very systematic and based on the flow of life on the earth. Thank you.